Well, I suppose from the days of Charcot, he used the technology of the day, which was post-mortem examination. So he coined the term amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. But it was really only in the late 80s, early 90s that we started to uncover specific genetic mutations linked to the disease. And the first of this was superoxide dismutase 1. When that was discovered, the genetic mutation, no one really understood how it could be causing the disease itself. So going back into chemistry thoughts, and it turns out that SOD1 is involved with redox, and that is involved in reactive oxygen species which build up, and ultimately glutamate is released in ALS patients. So in the CSF, glutamate is high, and the proposal is an excitotoxicity approach that the motor neuron fires off, it releases glutamate, and that causes the degeneration of the neural axis. Since then, there's been a few more genetic discoveries, and I think a key one has been the C9 open reading frame, or C9orf, because that is the gene that's linked to both frontotemporal dementia and ALS. And I think we're seeing more and more now that ALS is a primary neurodegenerative condition. Certainly when I started neurology training, it was seen more as a neuromuscular or peripheral condition. But with these genetic mutations, the links to central abnormalities, we now, I think, understand that the disease most likely begins at the cortical motor neuron, with a spread of excitability going down through the neural axis, ultimately causing muscle wasting and disability.